Okay, I got a really cool project here. I really like it a lot, the way it turned out. And that's a rain measurement gauge. And I had previously years bought several, and they just didn't hold up, and they crack, and they're really chintzy. And I looked at high school experiments on how to make a rain gauge, so I just made my own, basically. I found a really heavy-duty plastic cylinder. I can't remember what this was for. I think a decanter or something, but there was a lid I remember I threw away. But anyway, I marked in 1 inch increments and in 1/4 inch increments my measurements, and this fits inside this base, which is just a piece of super strut and a piece of stainless steel pipe for my sleeve to hold it. And inside, so it don't drop out, there's another piece of super strut. It's just bolted, and there's a 90, which is an L bracket, bolted here and bolted there. And then this, the whole thing's just going to be mounted right on the side of my IBC water tower, right there, with heavy cable ties. It'll be just like that. In fact, you can probably see it in the video description. I'll probably take a picture of that. And then that'll just be in there like that, and no more broken basins. I can leave this out. I ain't got to worry about it. The only thing I got to bring in for the winter is the sleeve itself, so it doesn't freeze, fill up and freeze and crack on me. And then these are the heavy zip ties where I'll just zip tie this super strut to the IBC structure, just like that, like so. And there you go. Rainfall basin to last the ages. Hope you like my project.